Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. Hope you're having a good day so far. We're back shopping at Aldi. We're in search for all the new items this week. And let's get started with the first one, the director's chair. You have 3 colors to choose from, a green, a blue, and a gray. I like those options. And nice thing about this chair, it really reminds me a lot of the director's chair at Costco. It has that side table, you have a little place for your phone, you have a drink holder, and it has the instructions on how to use everything, because you definitely want to make sure that side table is locked before putting anything on there. This is nice. They store away really easy, and the price is $39.99. Right now it's the same price as Costco. Costco has theirs on sale for the same price till June 11th, but these are good finds. You have the 3-tier wooden plant shelves. I remember this from last year. This was a fast seller. I saw it one time and then I honestly never saw it again. And I like this. So here's the dimensions. It's a good size, so not too big, not too small. It has a chalkboard on there if you want to make it like a nice welcome sign. However you want to use this, the price, honestly, $30. Not a bad price. Aldi, honestly, Aldi just really knocks it out of the ballpark when it comes to their pricing. I mean, check out this 4-piece conversation set. If you're needing a new patio set, I know they can get really expensive because we've been shopping around for a new one. This is $120. You have the table, 2 chairs, and the love seat. And then here is a canopy. This will go perfect with that conversation set. This is 10 feet wide, which is really nice. It's an offset, so it sets off to the side. Now the base is sold separately. So I do want to let you know about that. So these are huge, but the price is actually not too bad, especially if you price these around at other places. $90 for this. Now again, the base is sold separately. So here it is, the offset umbrella base. I'm not sure if you have to put this together because the box is a pretty good size. And I'm just going to assume that this box weighs a lot because you definitely want it to weigh down the umbrella. And this one is $50. So the 90 plus the 50, so about $140 for the whole set. Still not a bad price for this kind of umbrella. And I definitely want to grab both at the same time. Now, some more new outdoor items, the Fiesta Swim Lounge. This is like an island. This is really cute. So you have 2 different choices. I really do like the pepper. That is so pretty. So they're both $14.99. The floats nowadays, these loungers are just so nice, so fun. Almost anything you could think of, you could almost find it. Now, this is really cute. This little play set. You just, have your hose attached to it. It's the play mat, $10, not a bad price, but this looks really fun. It's like a baseball slide. How cool is that? Kids would get a kick out of that. And I'm gonna say it, I wish there was one large enough for the adults. $20, not a bad price. Here's the River Run 1. Okay, $16.99. And then your outdoor, the ladies beach dress, this is $10. So you have 4 sizes to choose from. So medium, no small, but medium to XXL. And see what we can take a look at. I see the stripes in the front. Okay, we see a gray one. See another one back here. Oh, a navy blue. So these look nice. They feel really soft, honestly. So definitely double check for your size. Now I've only purchased a skirt from Aldi and it kind of true to size, I would say. Now the Summer Waves, this quick pool set, $60 and it comes with a pump. That is really nice. So it's not the hugest pool. It's about 10 feet, but it's still a good size if you want to kick back and relax and cool off. You could even get that umbrella, the offset umbrella, covered up if you want some shade. And then you have your outdoor. Yes, the outdoor shoes for kids. These sandals are really nice, easy, and you could hose them off, but $5 That is perfect. This is really nice for the beach because they can walk through the beach and it's easy, you know, get that sand off. Now, the ladies' beach hat, $6.99. Now, I do like these. I have a couple already, so I don't need any more hats. But for $6.99, you could get a couple different ones. So they do have some different styles in here. You kind of want to go through them. And that is kind of what we're going to do. So this one has a nice little edge. So that one has some writing. It says the beach, please. Okay. Got a few of those. Oh, I like the stripes. Oh wait, here's another one. Hold on. So this was nice. I actually have one very similar when I garden because then I can put my hair up on top. Airplane mode. I think that's it. I think we've gone through all of them. I do like the striped one, but I know I'm good on hats. I have a couple of them already. So we will put these back. So yeah, if you see those, definitely go through them. Because there could be some different ones at other stores. You never know. But the price is actually really nice. So let's continue on. $60. Okay, there's two of them. We see the blue and the green. And I think these are tents. Yeah, the dome tent. 6 people in there. Not a bad price for $60. And then for $20, this camping floor mat. Ooh, I'm sure you could use this for a lot of other things too. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. You could cut it if needed. It's breathable, lightweight. Yeah, there's so many uses for this. Let's keep going. And then we have it's a queen airbed with the pump, and that's $25. And then for $10, so some really great camping items. And honestly, you could use this for anything, not just camping. I like that because it's easy to fold away. The tub, the folding tub, the insulated growler. Now, there's 64 ounces. This is a good size. The same size as I've seen at Costco. This is $13.99. Now, for $10, the dish drain. This is really cool because it's a little sink and a drain at the same time. So it's a 2-in-1. That is perfect for camping or for anything, especially, you know, save some space. And for $12.99, the portable campfire. These are really cool. I remember these from last year, up to 4 hours. Just make sure you use them on a heat-safe surface. But you can roast marshmallows with those. Those are really nice. $10, the rechargeable handheld fan. I like this because you don't have to use batteries. You can just keep charging it up. So that is actually really cool. Now this next item for $10, that pop-up lantern set. So set of 2. It comes with the batteries, but I was trying to get some more information online. First I thought maybe they're rechargeable because it says only up to 3.5 hours of runtime. I think that's per set of batteries. You would go through a lot of batteries with that one. And then for $14.99, this is a rechargeable, yeah, bug zapper. That is actually pretty cool. I like that. You can put that anywhere, and it has a little, you know, you can hook it on anything, so I like that. Now for $12.99, this is an insect killer with an LED light. Would you just plug that in? Because it looks like a regular like light bulb socket. And then this is cool, $20, so sunshade sails, those are always handy. Always good to have. It had 2 colors, the tan and a navy blue. And these lighted garden stakes are so pretty. They have a few different ones. They have flamingo, they have a peacock back there, the butterfly, and a flower. These are so pretty. They're just really tight trying to get those out. But not a bad price. I think the butterfly is really pretty. I love that purple ball right in the middle. And then what we have here for $20, a mini raised planter. Now I see 3 different colors on these boxes. So are there 3 different planters? They all have the same number because they're the same price. but there's some weight to them, so I didn't want to pull out all the boxes. Sometimes these are items that you wish you could see in person. Now, this is really cool. This is an aluminum table. It's 4 feet long. You could use this not just for camping, but for anything. It is very light. I like that you could adjust the legs. That is handy for anything. At $35, wow, that is actually a really great price. For $15, what do we have here? Oh, this is a chair. Now, I like it because you could almost put that in the backpack. It's not too heavy. Again, one of those items we wish we could kind of, take it out and see it. I know I could buy it and do it, but I really don't need any more chairs. Especially foldable ones. I'm good. But it's a good price. And then here are the lightweight sandals. So they have men and women. So here are the sizes. $6.99, not a bad price. Now this is really cool. This is something very similar that we've seen at Costco. $20. Wow, that is actually a really good deal. They're about $40 at Costco. And oh, that was nice and bright. These are cool. The kinetic wind spinner. So you have 2 different designs. Okay. But $20, those will sell pretty fast. And then this is really cool. It's a hammock. You have 2 different colors to choose from. You can carry that around if you need to. And for $23, $22.99, 12 quarts of stainless steel stock pot. That's always good to have on hand. There's so many things you can do with that. And a clear lid, which I like because then you can see what you're cooking. Now for $5.99, this is really cute. It's a box. This is perfect for in the car, especially if you're buying something you don't want to slide around. That's a good bag, and I like the handles. Now these indoor-outdoor rugs, they're reversible. Oh, that's cool. Now they feel plastic, so you can just hose those off if needed. You have quite a few designs. I think they just put these out. See, I kind of like this one. Just hose that off. $16.99, not a bad price. They're 5x7s. And the market umbrella with the scallop edges. We did see this at the grand opening of the other Murrieta store. That's $40. And the macaroni and cheese. Now these look good. I was kind of looking for, sometimes we'll say like artificial flavors, but I'm not finding that on here. At $1.79, not a bad price. You got 2 flavors to choose from. And these are back. I did get that teacup one. I got that one a few weeks back, actually beginning of May. So glad to see these back. These will sell out really quick. And for $7.99, see, this is cute. You have 4 glasses. 4? Yeah. 4 little glasses, and they're acrylic. And then you also have a nice little pitcher to go with it. And check out this cabana chair. You have 2 different styles to choose from. What is the price? $39.99. Not a bad price. So you can see it folds away really easy. Oh, those are fun. And again, great prices at Aldi. Here are more indoor, outdoor area rugs. There's a lot to choose from. And some of these items you have to kind of go through the store. They'll have them scattered around. How much are these? Get those. $25. Not a bad price at all. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming along with me today at Aldi, checking out the new arrivals. Take care, and until next time we shop, I'll talk to you later.